Want to record your screen like a pro for free? In this quick video, I'll show you how to use OBS Studio to capture your screen in just a few minutes. Let's go! First, go to obsproject.com and download OBS Studio for your system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Install it like any other app. When you open OBS, it might look a bit confusing, but don't worry. We'll keep it simple. At the bottom, you'll see Scenes and Sources. A scene is like your workspace, and sources are what you want to record. In Sources section, you can select what you want to capture, display, or window, or any other. Make sure your microphone and desktop audio are showing movement in the audio mixer. That means your voice and system sound will be recorded. When you're ready, hit Start Recording on the right. Do your thing, and when you're done, click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save your video in the Videos folder. And that's it! You've just recorded your screen using OBS Studio. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this.